Good evening, everyone. My name is Rich Wayne F. Fines, and I will be your moderator for today's focus group discussion. This discussion will be revolving on financial struggles of ABM students at GFA, a study on academic outcomes. This implies that how financial struggles affects academic outcomes of students. And now let's proceed on our ground rules. The first bullet is listen carefully. Pay attention to each question so you can give the best answer. Second, find a quiet place. Choose a spot without background noise so your answers can be heard clearly. Third is answer honestly. Share your true thoughts and experiences to help make the interview accurate. And lastly, respect privacy. Everything we talk about will stay within the interview and be kept confidential. And now, before we begin, let's proceed on our icebreaker. The title of this icebreaker is Would You Rather, a Student Budget Edition. The clue is budgeting. I will call someone who would like to answer. Just raise your hand. First question. Would you rather get a free lunch for a year or free school supplies for a year? Anyone who would like to answer, just raise your hand. Okay, Mr. Targa, open your mic, please.
Yes, for me, I would rather get free lunch for a year than rather have free school. As a student, we value nutrition. Um, we value our nutrition because
Okay.
we get stressed because of school works, of many activities done in the school. So we need to eat lunch to be full in order to have for the rest of the for the rest of the for the rest of our school years. That's all.
Okay. Thank you for your answer. Anyone who would like to add or share their opinions? Okay, none. So let's proceed on our next question. Okay. Would you rather have no projects that need money or have no school fees at all? Anyone who would like to answer, just raise your hand. Okay, Mr. Tuazon, can you share your answer?
I'd rather have no school fees at all because sometimes tuition fees can be expensive.
Okay,
That's
thank you
all.
so much for your answer. Anyone who would like to share some? Okay, none. Now let's proceed on our next question. Would you rather receive 500 weekly allowance or get one time 5,000 at the start of the semester? Who would like to answer? Yes, Mr. Malad. Please
I
open your
would
mic.
rather pick weekly allowance instead of 5k on one semester because in in one sem in if you receive 5k in one semester, you might panic and suddenly bought something like since necessary about your schoolwork or something like that. But if you pick the weekly allowance, you could manage your expenses like buying your food, resources like that. Doesn't pressure that much when you hold a lot of money.
Okay, is there anyone who would like to answer? Anyone? Okay, none. Now let's proceed on the next question. Would you rather work part-time while studying or focus only school but have less allowance? Okay, anyone who would like to answer, just raise your hand. Yes, Mr. Kawili, open your mic, please.
For me, I would rather work part time while studying than focus only on school but less allowance. Because you know, I will not asking my parents for money for my tuition or school needs.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to answer? Okay, none. Now let's proceed to our warm up or simple question. I will ask you first a simple questions before we proceed on our complex questions. You can type your answer on our chat box so I can read your answers. First question. On a scale of 1 or lowest to 10 or highest, how is your academic performance going so far? Okay, type your answer. 7, 6, 9. Okay, thank you so much for your answer. To remind me on how your academic performance going so far. Now let's proceed on our next question. Are you able to stay focused on your studies despite having facing financial challenges? Thumbs up if yes and thumbs down if no. Okay. Thank you so much for your answer. And now let's proceed on our complex questions. Here in complex questions, I hope you answer honestly that reflects to your experience and raise your hand to share your opinion. Do you feel pressured or anxious when thinking about school expenses? Anyone who would like to share your opinions? Yes, Mr. Ricafort, can you open your mic, please?
Yes, I feel pressure because the tuition fee is so expensive and I can pay the tuition fee. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to answer? Yes, Mr. Kawili. Open your mic, please.
For me, yes, I do feel pressured because I'm constantly thinking about where to get money for my tuition, projects, and daily school needs. Sometimes I just the thought of upcoming expenses makes me feel nervous.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share your answer? Okay, none. Now let's proceed to next question. Do you find it hard to concentrate on class because of financial stress? Anyone who would like to answer? Just raise your hand. Yes, Mr. Twazon. Open your mic, please.
Sometimes because sometimes I don't have the certain learning material, so I can continue my work.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share your opinions or answers? Yes, Mr. Targa. Please open your mic, please.
Um, yeah. Financial stress can cause us mentally breakdown because we might overthink of our financial needs, about schools, about our school supplies and foods and transportation. So we might get stressed because we don't have enough money and we just need to budget our daily expenses for the day. Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share your answers, please? Okay, none. Now let's proceed to the next question. Do you think your future goals are harder to reach because of financial limitations? Anyone who would like to share your answer? Yes, Mr. Tuazon. Please open your mic.
Sometimes because college tuition fees are expensive and some students may not be able to afford it.
Okay, thank you so much for your impressive answer. Okay, yes, Mr. Kawili, open your mic, please.
For me, yes, financial struggles make it harder for me to take opportunities like extra classes, trainings, or activities that could help my future. It feels like I have to work twice as hard to reach my goals.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share their answers? Okay, none. Now let's proceed to the next question. Has your financial situation ever made you feel left out or different from your classmates? Yes, Mr. Kawili. Please open your mic.
Oy, di ako nagtataas.
Yes, Mr. Ricafort. Open your mic, please.
Yes, yes, I feel left out with my classmates because my classmates can afford other expensive things or foods, and I can't afford other expensive things and food.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share the answers? Okay, none. Now, let's proceed to the next question. Have you ever considered skipping school due to lack of money for transportation or other needs? Okay, is there anyone who would like to share their answer? Just raise your hand so I can call. Yes, Mr. Tuazon, please open your mic.
No, because I'm scared of my parents. I'm scared of running onto them outside.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Is there anyone else who would like to share their answers? Okay, none. And now, Thank you so much for all of your thoughtful answers today. Before we end our discussion, does anyone have any follow-up questions or comments they like to say?
No, sir.
Okay. If there's nothing else, that will be the end of our discussion on the financial struggles of ABM students at GFA. Study on academic outcomes. I really appreciate the time you've given and the honesty you've shown. Everything you've shared will help us a lot in understanding this topic better. Thanks again for being here and for helping make this research possible. That's all from us. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.